In this video, I'll show you how to earn money on tradeforexbot.net. You can check their website to know more about TradeForex. Link in the description. To start, you will need to invest at least $20 or 1,000 pesos. They offer 1 to 6% daily interest depends on Forex market trade. To deposit, click Make Deposit, put the amount you want to deposit, then select the wallet kung saan nyo gustong mag-invest. I invested on Bitcoin. Then click Make a Deposit. All you have to do is send the Bitcoin debit amount to the address indicated in this page, or simply scan the barcode. I use coins.ph in depositing Bitcoin to TradeForex. If you don't have coins.ph yet, you can download it using the referral link in the description. Once the amount is transferred to your account, it will reflect on your Bitcoin wallet. Next step is click again the Make Deposit. Then click Account Balance, then select Bitcoin or the wallet kung saan kayo nag-transfer. Then click Make a Deposit. Then click Process. And that's it. You will now start earning. Mostly, around 6 PM pumapasok yung earnings. Makikita nyo sa deposit list kung kailan mag-e-expire yung deposit nyo. After you deposit, you will earn 5.75% of your deposited amount for 40 days. But since earnings are only from Mondays to Fridays, we will have 30 profitable days. So for example, you deposited 1,000 pesos, 5.75% of 1,000 is 57.5. That is the amount you will earn daily in 30 days. And that is 1,725 pesos or $34.50. So yung ininvest mo na 1,000, tutubo ng 725 in 30 days. Yung $20 mo, magiging $34.50. Paano naman natin mas mapapalago yung 1,000 na puhunan natin? Dollar kasi ang currency dito, and sa 1,000 pesos na deposit ko, I earn $1.15 per day. In 18 days, mababawi ko na yung $20 na deposit ko. What I do is, once na naka-earn na ako ng $20, ede-deposit ko ulit yon. So mag-e-earn ulit ako ng another $1.15 in 30 days sa bagong deposit ko. Magiging $2.30 na yung earnings ko per day hanggang mag-expire yung una kong deposit. So in 9 days, ma-e-earn ko na ulit yung $20. Then ede-deposit ko ulit yon. Deposit ka lang ng deposit once na maka-earn ka ng $20 para lumaki ng lumaki yung earnings mo per day. And since palaki ng palaki yung earnings, mas paikli ng paikli yung days na mababawi mo agad yung $20. Pero depende sa inyo kung magkano yung gusto nyong i-invest. Syempre, the higher your investment, the higher your income. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on how to earn money online.